Hello everyone, I have come back with another interesting and educative video today. Just sit down and enjoy this video. This business is a lucrative business and once you start it, you start cashing out. Sit down and learn how this was made. So let's get started. So you all are welcome back to my channel. For today I'll be showing you how to make coated peanut, which is also known as burger. And at the end of the video I'll be showing you the packaging, different packaging that you can use to sell your products. If you feel this is something you are interested in and you would like to do a business related to this, please do well to watch to the end of the video. So let's get started. So I'm going to put some salt in the granite, then I will add hot water. So here's the hot water I'll be adding. Just pour it in. So you have to leave the granite like this for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you take out the water and sun dry it. I'll come back after 5 minutes. So I'm back. This is after 5 minutes. So I'm going to strain the water. So after straining the water, I will have to spread it in a tray. Like this tray is small, so I'll change the tray. So I transferred it into a bigger tray. So now I'll go ahead and sun dry it. I think after 2 to 3 hours it should be okay. Then I'll come back. We'll continue with our peanut burger. So now I'm back. This is what I have after I sun dried the granite. So here are the list of the ingredients I'll be using: 4 cups of granite, 2 tablespoons of milk, then salt. Can you see 1 tablespoon of salt? For sugar, I'll be using 1/3 cup of sugar. Then I have 2 eggs, 2 cups of flour, and your vanilla flavor. So let's get started. So first you mix all the dry ingredients. Add your milk, add salt, then mix everything together. So for the wet ingredients, I'm going to crack the egg, crack the 2 eggs, so after that, in the egg 1/3 cup of sugar. So here is the vanilla flavor. Ahead and mix everything together till the sugar dissolve completely. So now it's time to start coating our peanuts. First, put some wet ingredients inside. Just follow this step. Once you are done putting all the wet ingredients, just shake it as you see I am doing in this video. Shake it very well till all the peanuts are well coated with the wet ingredient. Then after that, add some dry ingredient also. After adding it, just shake everything together till all the peanuts are well coated. Repeat this process till everything is exhausted, till you are done with the wet and the dry ingredient. Just do it as I'm doing. Watch this video very well. You will see that this is very easy to make. Repeat the process. I'm trying to show us the second time. Just put the wet ingredient, After putting in the wet ingredients, shake everything together. You have to put your hand to work for this recipe, but what we are after is the outcome. Can you see what I'm doing? Just follow this process and you will get wonderful results after the whole thing. After that, put some dry ingredients as well. Shake it together. Just watch and enjoy how this was done. So it's time to sieve out the excess flour from our coated peanuts. After the whole process, this was what I was able to get. So it's time to sieve it out. Just pour it in your sieve and shake it to remove the excess flour. You will see what I will do now. Just shake everything so that all the flour will go out of the coated peanut. Can you see what I'm doing? Just go ahead and do yours like this. So I'm done removing the excess flour. It's time to go and fry our peanuts. So let's go ahead and fry it together. At this point, I already have my hot oil on the gas. So I've tried to put in one peanut inside to test how hot the oil is. So at this point, just pour it inside and start frying your peanuts. And don't forget to put your eyes on this. Also turn this at interval as you see what I'm doing. And another thing I want to say is that please reduce the flame of your gas at this point. Put it on low to medium heat because you want everything to be well done, both the peanuts inside, because it will not be nice after making the whole thing and the peanut is not crunchy. So that's why you have to fry this on low to medium heat. Can you see? Now the peanut is done. Once it's golden brown, remove it and fry the next batch. So this was what I was able to get after frying everything. It came out so crunchy, nice and tasty. So I'll be showing you the different package you can use to sell your products. You can use this particular one, this container. You can use this bottle and also this one. This paper one is not bad. It's very nice because you can actually seal it at the end of everything. But for me, I think I prefer the bottle. Some people use this container, some people use bottle. Just go with anyone you are comfortable with. And one interesting part is that once you close the bottle, it's locked automatically like that. So let me just show you after putting it inside what we have after everything. And I always say that your costing is very important. People that are already into this business, try and carry out your feasibility study, check how much they are selling it, their packaging and everything. So let me show you how this looks after putting it in this container and also after putting it inside the bottle. Then you can pick the one you are comfortable with. But for me, I like the bottle because it's very presentable and you are sure that air will not enter after the whole thing. But I'm not really sure of the container. But for the bottle, I'm sure that air will not enter. So after the whole thing, just cover it and start selling your products. Take it to supermarket, take it to your place of work, tell your friends about it, tell your neighbors about it. So this is what I have after the whole thing. Can you see? It looks so presentable. This one is bigger than the other one. So you should know that you will sell this other bottle times two of this small one. So I'm done packing them just to show us how they look. and I'll also be showing us how to put your sticker on it. Actually, I'll be using this sticker as example. This is not what I use. I use this to appreciate my customers after buying things from me. But I'll just show you how you can place your sticker on your product. Branding is very important when you start selling your product. Put your business name, your phone number, your address, if possible location, and also the ingredients inside the product, because some people can be allergic to some things. So that's why it's important to put the list of the ingredients you use for the product. It is advisable. Okay, so after the whole thing, start selling, and that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more interesting and educative videos like this. Make a video of your product, take pictures, edit it, put it on your WhatsApp status, put it on any social media platform, and start selling it. You can take any of my recipe, recreate it, and start selling it. Start a business with it. You can check the pictures at the end. Those are the pictures I took from my products. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.